Hello. Today we are going to learn how to use the library's online catalog. But first, what is a catalog? A catalog is an index that lists all the books, videos, and other materials that the library owns. There are some digital items within the catalog, but mainly it keeps track of our physical items that are part of the library's collection. Online materials such as books, videos, and journals can be searched in other ways, and you will learn that in other videos. Now that we know what the library catalog is for, how do we get there and how do we use it? Well, you'll need to go to the ASUMH website and you'll click on Current Students. You'll click on ASUMH Library. Then you click on this button here, Library Catalog Search. This is your basic screen. It gives you a place here to search. It gives you fields to search within, like if you know the title or subject or the call number, the author. It gives you options to limit it to. If you want to limit it to just a physical book or you want to limit it to just a DVD, this is the selection that you would choose. So for this example, we'll put in Arkansas and say I want to search for a DVD. We'll enter that in and we'll push search. It takes us to a list of 27 things that they found in the catalog that has the word Arkansas in it, and if y'all notice, they're DVDs. Over here to the right is a filter. Say we changed our mind and we didn't really want a DVD. Instead, we wanted a reference book. We can add that filter there. That takes us to 72 results. And if we go into the record, you'll see all information about the record. If you go down here to where it says call number, this is the call number of the item on the shelf. It's essentially the address of where it's located on the shelf. And if you need help finding any items, let one of the library staff know and we'll be happy to help you. Now, let's see what you've learned. Take that test.